Hey, my name is Dr. Andy Keith. I'm a dentist out in Washington State, and I heard about the Pikos Institute from a friend. He said he did it and learned a whole lot from it. He's actually doing it again here with me this week, and I'm learning so much. And so I'm at the beginning of my career, and I can't wait to go back Monday and start implementing some of the suture techniques for socket grafts that I'm doing. And so a lot of the procedures are a little bit more advanced than what I've been doing, but I feel like I have the confidence and the education I need to start implementing them, and a lot of resources from the other doctors that I've met here. And then Dr. Pikos himself has been very approachable and very helpful. If you're on the fence about doing it, I'd say do it now, because you're going to want to do it at some point in the future. And so the quicker you do it, the quicker you can get your return on investment, and the quicker you can start giving this great service to your patients. It's going to be, faster healing for a lot of the procedures. You're going to learn a lot of techniques for more predictable procedures. So it's going to be all around really beneficial for you and your patients.